might have just cut like a big plug though, like yo. What is goody, y'all? Okay. All jokes aside, so first of all, if you're new here, thank you so much for coming and checking my video out today. Thank you. I do appreciate you. I love makeup, I love beauty, I love hair. I love any and everything dealing with beauty. And sis, if you like those things too, then I hope you will consider becoming a part of the family. Oh, by the way, I'm Ifa K. But anyway, to do that, all you gotta do is go down below and click the red subscribe button, and I hope you'll consider doing that. It really helps me, and I would greatly appreciate it. And thank you to all my returning babes, lovies, boo things. I do appreciate y'all as well. So today, guys, I know I look crazy, and this is a very impromptu video, so do not judge me, do not come for me, because I bite back. Just saying. Anyway, but this is very impromptu. So I want to cut my hair. I want to cut it off. I want to really shave it off, but I never went to barber school, so I ain't even finna get at it like that. You know what I'm saying? Nah, I ain't finna do that. But I do want to cut all this blonde. Anyway, I wanted to chop my hair off because a couple months ago, I got faux locks. I will leave a link to that video up here. It is a live stream. It is long, but it is very detailed. And I tell you about my experience and what I went through with the faux locks and how they took my hair out dramatically, horribly. I might even insert like a picture over here, maybe. I hope I did, because I'm leaning over to the side. Yeah. Anyway, so my hair has grown pretty much back. Maybe could grow a little more though. So my edges have grown back for the most part, but I wear wigs all the time. My hair is very high maintenance. It is very hard to tame, and I'm over it. So I wanted to cut it off, and I thought, why not take y'all on this journey with me to do another big chop. Okay, so as I was about to get ready to wash, y'all look how long my hair is. I can't believe I'm gonna do this, but I'm gonna do it because guess what? I already did some of it, so I gotta carry on and finish it up. So big hunk of hair. I know y'all was probably like, why the heck does her hair look like that? That's why. Cause yeah, let's just do this. Y'all ready? Hopefully I won't wake up in the morning and regret this. Let's just do it. I'm just grabbing pieces of hair and just going at it. Yeah, let's just go at it, y'all. Let's go at it. I might have just cut like a big plug though, like yo. But I'm probably gonna find a barber within the next few days to line me up and shape me up in the front, because in the front I'm probably gonna look like I just escaped from prison. Yeah. Woo. Yep, that's probably what's gonna happen. I'm literally going in here and just cutting, y'all. Like that's pretty much it. How I look in the back. Looks good, right? I know. Oh my gosh, I can't believe I'm doing this. I'm so excited. Y'all, this is so empowering. Okay, that was a lot of black hair. Yo, what if I did like a hot top fade, yo? Yo! That was a lot of hair, y'all. That was a lot of hair. Oh my freaking goodness. I can breathe. Oh my gosh. Y'all, this feels so good. Oh my gosh. Yes. Yes. And more yes. Okay, so now I'm gonna go wash my hair, wash my hands, and I'll be back to show y'all what it looks like after I finish that. I mean, it's gonna look the same though, pretty much. Guess you'll have to stay tuned to find out. So y'all ready for it? Are y'all ready? Are y'all ready for it? Hey sis, what you think, girl? My ears are so red. Y'all must be talking about me in a good way, right? So this is it. Y'all, I made a mistake and plugged myself right there. But if I got like my comb and did a little doodly doop right there, then you can't really tell as much. This part right here is where my hair was damaged by the Faux Locs. But I'll give y'all a 360 real quick. Hey, girl. Yeah, I think I did pretty good, y'all. This is the first time I ever cut my hair myself. And to think I was spending all them coins getting my hair cut back 2 years ago when I first cut it off. Spending all that dang money every week, every 2 weeks, I'm lying, to get my hair trimmed. So yeah, your girl got in the mirror, got her clippers that she bought from Walmart. They might have been like $13 if I'm not mistaken, and I did it, and I'm so happy I did it. What took me so long? Like, this is life to me. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching today. If you're interested in the lashes that I have on, if I'm not mistaken, these are the ones called Schoolgirl. They're either Schoolgirl or So Rocket. It's one or the other. I can't remember off the top of my dome right now. Anyway, I'll leave Kia's information down below. I love these lashes. That's what I'm talking about, the lashes, by the way. They're Lashed by Kia. I love them. They're super dramatic, super right on time for this look that I got going on. My son saw me and he said, "Oh, Ma, now you look like a dude." You will not eat tonight. Joke's on you, buddy. Anyway, don't forget to check your girl out on the gram at Ifa_K_slays. Hey. I'll leave a link to my Instagram down in the description box. Thank you guys so much for rocking with me. I totally appreciate all you guys. I pray God continues to cover y'all and keep y'all, bring y'all back to me next time I post a video. I love y'all.